Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, for today's video, I decided to do this very easy, romantical look, like an everyday look, because I finally was able to get my hands on this. The It's My RayeRaye palette by BH Cosmetics. I have been dying for this, you guys. I just didn't want to order it online, and my Ulta finally had it in stock in store, so I can go play with it before buying it. And that sounded really wrong, but y'all knew what I meant. And there's a dog that just barked, but that's all right. Look at how beautiful these colors are, guys. And let me tell you, like, the pigmentation, the ease of blending, it was so good. And this was such an easy, simple look to do, and it was of course because of this palette. So everything except for my lip color and, you know, foundation or whatever, but my eyes, my highlight, my contour, all came from this palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, and I promise you it is super simple, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the Ulta Beauty Aquablast Hydrating Beauty Mist. Like, skincare is so important, guys. Make sure your skin's moisturized. And then I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Dipbrow in Ebony. I usually use chocolate, but I'm really feeling darker brows, so I have to say I am quite the fan now of the Ebony color. Alright, y'all, dance break coming in like 3, 2, 1. Alright, now I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer all over my face as my primer, duh. And then I'm going to go in with the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer in Deep Warm. And I'm using this one as an eyelid primer, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and like just sharpen up my brows, make sure everything looks really good. That's why I have the brush in my hand. You guys will see it in a minute. By the way, if you guys want to see how I do my brows, like a more in-depth look, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be glad to do that video for you guys. Right now I'm just putting that concealer all over the lid. And the moment we've all been waiting for, time to get into this palette. I really love the colors. Look at how gorgeous it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Spice right in my crease. I feel like I have to build up this color just a little bit because it's pretty light for my deeper skin, but it is very pigmented nonetheless, and these eyeshadows really blend super well. I'm very proud of this. Then I'm going to go in with the same brush and use the color Sunset to build up the color that I want. And again, I'm putting this a little bit more focused in the crease. With the color Spice, I went up a little bit. With Sunset, I'm focusing more in the crease. And now the color Friday, I'm going to put that all over my lower lid. Chick always comes to dance with me. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Essence eyeliner pen. This is just a black one. And I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to line the top just to give it a little bit more togetherness. Now I'm going to use the Smoldering Eyes by L'Oreal. And I'm just going to do my waterline. Just to make sure, again, I like my eyes to look like pulled together. If not, I feel like I look just a little bit asleep. Okay, guys, this mascara, the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, I bought the mini one thinking I don't know if I'm going to like it. But look at my face. I'm shook, y'all. It is so amazing. By the way, I did curl my lashes. I didn't film that part. I'm not even going to lie. But look at how crazy this is. I don't always like use false lashes, so this is like perfect. Alright, now I'm going to go in with these two. The reason I already have the foundation on in the back is because I thought I was filming this part and I wasn't. So the mix of foundations that I use is the NYX Total Control in Cappuccino and L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 109 Classic Tan. like mixed together, I feel like they give me the best coverage ever. And I'm just kind of applying that everywhere. Make sure you take it down to your neck. You don't want to look like you have on a mask. Alright, now I'm just going to go back in with that concealer and make sure, you know, I conceal my dark under eyes because team no sleep over here. And you guys are going to see, I kind of do like a whole little chart. If you guys want to see a video on like my contour routine, I will be more than happy to let you guys know how I do it. But this is a really quick version of that. And just because I don't want the concealer to dry out and I'm going to be using powder contour, I'm going to go ahead with the Real Techniques beauty sponge and just kind of like smooth everything out. You guys see what a difference it makes? I am setting this with the City Color Banana Powder. I got this off of shophush.com and I love it. Alright, now for the contour. This is Brownie Bite out of the same palette. Look at how pigmented it is. If you are lighter skinned than me, I would go down to Mocha, or if you just want a more natural contour. But I'm real extra. I'm not even gonna lie to kick it. I'm an extra person. So again, if you guys want to see that contour routine, or yeah, the conceal and contour routine, let me know and I'll be happy to do that. Just put it in the comments. I really like how this blends. At first I was a little worried, like, oh crap, maybe I put too much, but I just blended it out till it was nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna go in with Fairy Tale with a flat brush, and I'm just going to put it right at the bottom eyeline, I guess, like right where my eyeliner would go, to smoke it out just a little bit and to tie the look together. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the mascara on my lower lashes too, just to look more awake. Why am I making this face? I don't know. I always make that face when I put on my mascara. Okay, I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm doing that now. This is the same color, by the way. This is Brownie Bite. I said Brownie Bite earlier, huh? My bad. Hey! Alright, now time for my favorite part, the highlight. This is the color Rayediant, which is like this rose gold. And honey, let me tell you, they are killing the game out here. Alright, BH. Alright, Ray Ray. I see you. I really love the glow that this highlighter gave me. Look at that. Alright, now I'm setting everything with the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. This is my favorite drugstore one. And of course, my lips would not be complete without the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in Coco Loco. My fave. Like, I can't say enough good things about it. And I'm going to top it off with MAC's Whirl. Like, this is my go-to nude lip because, you know, not all nude lips are created equal. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this look. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share me with your friends, all that good stuff. All my social media will be linked down below. I have been so much more active on Twitter. But everything will be down below in the description box. Everything that I use will also be in the description box. Go over to Instagram if you want still photos of this look. And yeah, send me if you recreate this look. I would love to see how it looks on you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me some cute emojis down below. And again, thank you guys so much for coming by. Bye guys.